In this video, we are going to talk about top 8 editing software for YouTube videos. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel, and ring the bell for our future updates. YouTube is a fantastic resource for both watching videos and sharing videos with viewers all over the world. Although the platform is extremely user-friendly, creating powerful YouTube content that generates likes, comments, shares, subscribers, and views is not as simple as simply uploading a video and hoping for the best is not possible. It is essential if you want to make a name for yourself on YouTube to create content that is both engaging and entertaining, and also aesthetically pleasing to watch. This means that your videos must be professionally produced. Because of this, there are a variety of free video editing software packages available for YouTube, and we'll share our favorites with you. Number 8. Shotcut. The Shotcut isn't particularly attractive. What you're looking at here is free and open source software that looks exactly like what you'd expect free and open source software to look like. But, after all, appearances aren't everything, are they? This platform performs admirably and provides all of the features you require. If you can get past the aesthetically displeasing exterior and the less than intuitive user interface, Shotcut can be useful for trimming and exporting videos. Shotcut does have a limited number of transitions available, but if all you need is to edit your videos before uploading them to YouTube, this program will suffice. Number 7. iMovie. If you're a Mac or iPhone user, you're probably already familiar with the iMovie software package. We believe it is one of the best options available for YouTube influencers who are looking for a simple-to-use software for Mac computers. iMovie includes all of the standard video editing features you'd expect, such as cropping, trimming, and clip arrangement, among others. Additionally, you can use iMovie to edit audio files as well as add visual effects and titles to your videos, so it truly covers all of your bases. In addition, once you have your video looking exactly how you want it, you can easily share it directly to YouTube, Facebook, and Vimeo without having to go through a complicated process. Number 6. Blender. Blender is not only a video editing software, but it can also be used for animation, rendering, modeling, visual effects, and even game creation, depending on the version. It is possible to trim videos and add transitions or filters to them, but the video editing tools are limited. Blender incorporates a timeline, which allows you to easily add video, audio, and image files to your projects and rearrange them as needed. Blender also includes a live preview, histogram, and chroma vector scope displays, among other features. Blender includes features such as speed control and layer adjustment, as well as audio mixing and waveform visualization, to give users even more creative freedom. An integrated video sequence editor in Blender allows you to perform basic operations such as video cuts and splicing, as well as more complex operations such as video masking and color grading. The video editor comes with the following features. There are up to 32 slots for putting video, images, audio, scenes, masks, and effects in your project. Number 5. Lightworks. Adobe Photoshop Lightroom is a free, powerful photo editor and camera app that helps you capture and edit stunning images. It is a great tool for improving your photography skills. Image editing tools that are simple to use, such as sliders and filters for photos, make photo editing simple. Light and color adjustments can be made to photos to make them stand out. Despite the fact that its website is out of date, Lightworks provides a user-friendly interface and a robust set of capabilities. It offers a variety of transitions, visual effects, and trim options to assist YouTubers in creating visually stunning videos on the platform. It is possible to export files in all popular video file formats using Lightworks, and the program is optimized to help you save time when exporting files so that you can get them up on your YouTube channel more quickly. Multicam editing is also available, which makes it simple to edit footage that has been captured by 2 or more cameras at the same time. Number 4. Openshot. Openshot is a free video editing software for YouTube that has a user interface that is relatively easy to navigate. Shotcut is similar in that it only provides a limited number of animation effects. To be clear, Openshot is an excellent tool for YouTube creators, despite its limitations. While there are minor differences in editing features between Openshot and Photoshop, the editing environment in Openshot is distinct. Rather than using on-screen editing, Openshot makes use of floating windows. Essentially, this means that your editing will take place through the use of layers, which are represented by separate windows within the software itself. Reduce the length of your videos as quickly as possible and capture the best moments. Openshot provides a variety of simple methods for cutting your video. You can use our powerful animation framework to fade, slide, bounce, and animate anything in your video project using our drag and drop interface. Remove the background from your video using our video effects engine, invert the colors, adjust the brightness, and more using our video effects engine. Create stunning 3D animated titles and effects, such as snow, lens flares, and flying text, with this powerful tool. Number 3. Windows Movie Maker. Windows Movie Maker is a video editing program for the Windows operating system, as the name implies. Make movies from your photos, videos, and music with Movie Maker 10. It includes basic video editing functions such as video joining, adding background music, and text captions, as well as more advanced features such as image filter, transition effects, and pan tilt zoom effects. Media formats supported by Movie Maker include MP4, WMV, MKV, MOV, AVI, MPEG, MPG, MTS, JPG, PNG, GIF, MP3, M4A, and WAV files, as well as the most popular video and audio formats. Movie Maker, in addition to the features we've already discussed, can be used to overlay text captions and emoticons, add still pictures in between videos, add title slides, and access to 30+ transition effects for photos and videos, including fade, ripple, cross zoom, wave, square wipe, and more, as well as 30+ fonts for text overlay. You can also use the music editor to perform tasks such as clip trimming, fade in and fade out effects, and other similar tasks. Number 2. Clipchamp. Are you looking for a simple YouTube video editor that is quick and easy to use? Clipchamp is a program that is definitely worth checking out. Because it is an online video editor, you will not be required to download any software. Furthermore, it is extremely simple to use. While Clipchamp does not produce high-definition videos, it does export to MP4 and allows for the creation of video, images, and audio. In addition to changing the speed of any video clip, you can resize or crop videos, rotate and flip videos, fade in or fade out your audio or video files, and choose from a dozen filters to add more visual interest to your video. Get inspired without being tied down to a specific time or place. Their video templates combine the best of both worlds, ready-to-use templates for everything from advertisements to wedding video inspiration, all contained within a flexible video editor that allows you to truly customize each template to your specific needs and tastes. Our services cover a wide range of projects, including social video ads, corporate slideshows, cinematic presentations, and even your best friend's wedding. To use Clipchamp, all you have to do is upload your files to the Clipchamp website and drag them onto the timeline to begin editing. From there, you can rearrange the files and delete anything that you don't want them to appear. Because Clipchamp is a web-based application, it is compatible with all operating systems. Number 1. Wondershare Filmora. Wondershare. If you don't already have video editing skills, Filmora makes it simple for YouTube creators to create and edit videos that look as good as anything a video editing professional could do, even if you don't have any prior experience. Because of its simple user interface, this free video editing software for YouTube is an excellent choice for beginners. It also includes all of the video editing tools you need to produce beautiful YouTube videos that your subscribers will enjoy. Adding video, image, and audio files to a project is simple with Filmora, which includes all of the fundamental video editing tools, such as cutting and trimming videos, as well as advanced features such as video stabilization, denoise, and more. Color grading, text and image overlays, and other effects are available in the Filmora effects library, allowing you to add interest to your videos. You can also use it to create videos because it has a large royalty-free audio library with music and sound effects that you can use. With chroma key, green screen, and split screen video features, you can express yourself more creatively. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel.